Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon. Today subject is automobile chassis and transmission, unit 1, front axle. This is the part 4 video. If you want to see the videos both Tamil and English, please click the I button on the top of the video. You will see all the playlist of this video and also other subjects. Please watch all the videos and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Today topic is types of front axle. So the types of front axle is based on two types. They are upon the drive. Upon the drive they have live front axle and dead front axle. Based on construction axle, it has beam construction, that is said to be solid I beam, and tubular constructions. So these are the types of front axles given in the portion. So live front axle. Live front axle, it has the differential mechanism through which the engine power is transmitted to the front wheels. So the constant velocity joints are provided in the axle shafts for the steering of the front wheels without affecting the power flow through the off shaft. These joints help in turning the stub axle around the kingpin. So you can see this type of live joints. It has a tubular construction, and the tubular construction rod, we have a hollow portion of the hollow circular portion. Inside the hollow circular portion, the engine transmission system is placed on. So with the help of these joints, we can use the stub axle to move around the kingpins to turn the to give the better steering system. So the next one is dead front axles. So dead front axle, it is a dummy axle without any connections with the engine power. These axles do not rotate with the engine. It rotates separately by means of the rear wheel power. It has sufficient rigid and solid transmissions transmit the weight of the vehicle from the spring to the front wheels. So you can see the images of the front axle. So it is looks like a solid I section beam. So with the solid I section beam, it carries the front load of the vehicles. It carries all the front load of the vehicles, shocks and vibrations due to the irregular roads. And also you can see the some circular designs inside this. It has have high construction, highly strength construction. We will see about the beam construction. So these types are used to carry the weight of the vehicle as well as the facilitate steering and absorb shock due to the road surface variations. You can see the little inclination at the both end. So it is because to give better steering, not to disturbing the wheels. So when there is no braking system in the front wheel on the wheels, then there will be only the bending load on the axle. So a simple forged alloy steel, that is I beam section, is used to construct the beam. And this type of axle is made of I sections in center portions, while the ends are made either circular or elliptical. So due to this, it has bending loads and the load of the vehicle, and also torque due to the braking of the vehicles. So it is mainly used in Ashok Leylands and Tata vehicles mostly. And then tubular construction. The tubular construction is the cross section of this axle have hollow circular shape. If front axle is live axle, the axle shaft is rotated inside this tubular construction front axle. It is mostly used in Mahindra vans like that. So you can see the image. It has the hollow circular tubes in the hollow circular tube frame sections. So inside that circular tube, we have a rotating shaft to give the power from the engine to the wheels. And the next one is stub axle. Stub axle, the front wheel are mounted on the stub axles. They are connected to the front axle by means of kingpin. The stub axle turns on the kingpin through the prosperous bronze bushes are fitted in the forked ends of the axle. The stub axles are made of 3% nickel steel and alloy steel containing chromium and molybdenum, and they are forged to form the stub axle. Types of stub axles. There are 4 types of stub axle we are going to see about. First one is Elliott type, second one is reverse Elliott type, third one is Limoni type, and fourth one is reverse Limoni type. So these are the 4 types of stub axles. We will see one by one in detail. First one is Elliott type. So in Elliott type, this type of axle is a single rigid I-shaped beam. So it has a provision to fit the front axle at its 2 ends. The end of the axle is Elliott shaped, that is U shaped, with 2 eyes. The stub axle is mounted in between the 2 eyes with a thrust bearing at the top end of the stub axle. So this type is used in cargo vehicles. In reverse Elliott type, it is said to be the 2 eye end sections are in the stub axle and the single eye end section in the axle. So in reverse Elliott type, the arrangement of the stub axle is reversed. The axle beam is mounted in between the 2 eyes of the stub axles. So using a thrust washer at the bottom of the axle. This type of stub axle is used in Ashok Leyland and Tata vehicles. The main advantage of using this vehicle, using these stub axles in the vehicles are load exerted by the stub axle is equally distributed to the wheels, and due to this steering is very easy. And Limoni type. In Limoni type, it is this type of L-shaped hinge is used in instead of a yoke type hinge in the Elliott joint. In the spindle is attached to the end of the axle by means of pivot. It was fixed mounted on the bottom of the axial beam. So it is used in tractor almost. And reverse Limoni. The Limoni is fitted from the bottom of the axle, but in reverse Limoni it is reversed. So it is fixed on the top of the axle. So it is similar to the Limoni, but arrangement is reversed. So the stub axle is mounted on the top of the axial beam. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.